Okay, so we go in the cold. So you just go like that. We can work with that.
Yes.
It's alright. Let it happen. That's it. Over the cool.
Oh, it's so cool.
It's weird, eh? It's like it goes from liquid to solid so fast.
Yeah.
The suction's on your hand.
It's like it's stuck.
looks so weird.
So the wax thinks it's tricky there at the moment. It's suctioned on, and all we do really to get it off is put air back in there.
It's the weirdest
Oh,
thing.
that looks so good. Does it feel
So
like
cool.
candlewood?
Yeah.
Okay, one more, then we'll get you out of there. Right, so we'll roll him over. That's it. Alright, just relax your hand. You'll feel all the air get in there. Beautiful. Nice. Give her a wash for that. Oh, that's it.
It's really
Good
cool.
movement.
Yeah,
Pretty good.
alright. Nice.
I think it's because you go upside down, so like, you
Yeah.
have it perfect, and then you go in and you forget.
Yeah,
Pressure's on you now. Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah, your nails too.
Yeah. All look good. Okay, jump in the car. If there was an easier way than freezing your hand off, it's just not possible. Oh yeah, pick her up, get her moving much.
I feel like I have a plastic
Yeah.
hat.
Alright, same again. What'll be weird is taking it off and you'll see it, like, because you can see your nails through there. You'll be able to see them like slowly starting to disappear,
Yeah.
and then try and turn the corner. So if they're long enough, they should tear the edges like when they go around. Yeah, you probably won't see it like by the time you melt the two together. There we go. You can give it a wash if you like. Yeah, by the time that one melts, by the time the knuckles melt together, you probably you won't notice it. Like it?
That's cool.
What do you reckon for colours?
You guys want to trade?
Yeah, of course.